just came falling around 2 o'clock. Is the course underwater? Are we playing or not? I watched from the window as the whole sky turned black, wondering if we should turn around and drive back. We waited in silence for the group chat to sing, for somebody to tell us if we still had to swing. And then the pro shop answered at 4:45. League is still on, boys, come on, get here alive. And I knew it was madness, but I grabbed my clubs anyway. There was thunder in the distance and no mercy in this game. We played through the rain, watched our scorecards fall apart. Every fairway turned to water, every bogey broke our hearts. With our shoes soaked through and our spirits down low, would they call it off? Man, we just didn't know. We played through the rain. We laced up our spikes in that cold heavy mist, half the force and angry, half too numb to be pissed. The first hole was ugly, the rain coming down, turning every clean lie into mud-soaked ground. It clung to our glasses and soaked through our hats. We were digging up divots like half-drowned cats. By the time we hit for the clouds started to part, but the damage was done to the scorecard and our hearts. And I tried to find rhythm, but the ground stole every shot. There was nothing left but laughter at the game we never got. We played through the rain, watched our scorecards fall apart. Every fairway turned to water, every bogey broke our hearts. With our shoes soaked through and our spirits down low, would they call it off? Man, we just didn't know. We played through the rain, and the rain finally quit, but the nightmare settled in. You couldn't get distance, you couldn't make it spin. Casual water in every damn trap, every shot that we hit went thud and then splat. No roll in the fairway, no bite on the green, the ugliest golf that you ever have seen. We played through the rain, let the whole damn round go dark. Every swing was a disaster, every putt missed its mark. With our shoes soaked through and our spirits down low, would they call it off? No, they let the misery grow. We played through the rain. Jim carded a 50, Bob stared at the ground, counting the ghost of the balls he never found. We should have stayed home, should have stayed warm and dry, but fools chase glory under a breaking sky. Now we're back in the clubhouse, wounded and cold, telling tall stories like legends of old. We lost to the water, we lost to the wind, but Thursday will call us back again. So raise up a glass to the shots left unknown, to the soaked-through shoes and the long ride home. Just a bunch of bad golfers, beaten and blown. Bartender, pour another, we're not